Welcome to this module. This is a core module in this course. It's about Redux. You might already know Redux. It's often named together with React, but it's a standalone third-party library. It is a library often used in React projects, though, to make state management, the management of application state, easier, because that can be hard in more complex React projects. We already saw that in our course project. There we already had some cases, like where we have to pass data around through query perms, where state management became unnecessarily difficult. Therefore, in this module, we'll learn about Redux, a solution to this problem which can help us make our state manageable again. For that, let's first understand what exactly state is and what exactly Redux then is and how it works.